Hello, my wonderful people. Good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're hearing me. On the 20th of this month, July 2024, Bayo Ononuga, on his Twitter handle, accused Peter Obi and his supporter as the one causing the upcoming protest, national protest in Nigeria. So, today now, Peter Obi has threatened to sue Bayo Ononuga for defamation of character. So, this is the letter that he wrote. Peter Obi threatened to sue Onunuga for defamation, demand 5 million in damages. Peter Obi lawyers have demanded 5 billion in damages for Bayo Onunuga for defamatory claim leaking to a nationwide unrest. The Labour Party presidential candidate in Nigeria 2023 general election, Peter Obi, has initiated legal action against the special advisor to the president on communication and strategy, Bayo Ononuga, where his legal team demanded a restriction and 5 billion in damages for a defamatory publication that they claim has significantly harmed Obi's reputation. The controversy began with a statement published by Ononuga on his verified X Twitter handle at Ononuga 1956 on 20th July 2024. The post alleged that Peter Obi's supporters are the people planning mayhem in Nigeria and held Obi responsible for potential anarchy. This claim was further disseminated across various social media platforms and major Nigeria news outlets. In a strongly wounded letter addressed to Ononuga, Obi legal counsel Chief Alex Ejesemi San refuted the allegation, describing them as false and malicious. The letter stated, "Our client denies the entirety of the falsehood contained in the said publication and insists that there's no modicum of truth in the allegation preferred against him in your published statement." Obi's lawyer argued that the publication was not only defamatory but also intended to damage Obi's reputation and standing. The legal team also highlighted the extensive calculation of the defamatory statement, noting its presence on platforms such as X, WhatsApp, Facebook, as well as various online and print media. This widespread dissemination has allegedly caused significant embarrassment and harm to Obi and his family. In addition to the demand for 5 billion in damages, Obi's lawyer warned of imminent legal action if Ononuga failed to comply with their demands. Take note that in the event of your failure to meet the demands set out above, our client shall be constrained to approach a court of competent jurisdiction and take legal action against you for defamation and label the letter read. So, that is all, my people. You see, say Obi dey always dey kick Obi on the talk. Any Dika Harry go just come, Obi do this, Obi do that. Obi will always say, my respected elder brother, my respected elder brother. He will never take legal action. This one that he does now, I just like it. I love it. I love it. People should leave Obi alone. That Obi is loved by people, it's not because he's a politician. The reason why people love Obi is just because of his character. His character, because he's a rich man, but he doesn't put himself in a way that the poor people cannot access him. Anybody can access Obi. That is why people love him. And people also love him because of incorruptible, because he's not corrupt. Go and verify, not be anybody mate. How many politicians can say go and verify? Not be anybody mate. That is why people love him, because he's not corrupt. It's not a corrupt politician. When they support to be, when we say we be obedient. We not even believe say politicians go there for Nigeria and be say they're not even corrupt. I know say as Obi non dey corrupt. I know say some go still there when be say we never know. When be say they still dey okay, say they're not corrupt. That is why with everybody love him. People should leave this man alone. It's after this election, after the court, this man is going everywhere, doing his good, donating money, providing things for people who are in need. Why can't people leave this man alone? Obi this, Obi that, Obi that, Obi this. Small time now, if I not fit sleep with my wife, I go say na Obi na ikosa. For this hardship, who go come talk say they don't know say hardship there for this land? Who go talk say, even we were there abroad, the thing they affect us well. How they say they affect us? Because before, person will go say $100 go give, say make take manage him life for this month. Now go to tell you say that money not even reach, not even reach 2 weeks again. And before you go send that money, it go pass 1 month before they will spend and finish. Now you don't go reach 2 weeks. And you when they send that money, not be say they increase your salary here. Now the same salary they take. So nobody when this hardship no affect for everywhere in Nigeria. Nobody, whether you are living abroad, whether you are in Nigeria, whether you are anywhere, as far as you have family in Nigeria, this thing affects you. And some of my friends that are doing business from abroad, the thing affect them. One of them was telling me that if they sell finish now, to convert the money come back, before they convert the money, maybe they sell at dollars is 150 now. Before they will say maybe they convert the money don't go 160, 170. So all the gain when they get, you don't lost with that. And if they are buying, maybe dollar is 150, they are buying at 150. And when they are selling at 150. And to bring her come back, money don't go 170. So this thing, everybody they collect. This Nigeria, if they happen to everybody, who go say Nigeria not to happen to an lie? No matter anywhere where you dey. If they happen to the poor, if they happen to the rich, if they happen to the middle class people. Even now, here say middle class people not even dey again. Because it be like say they don't join the poor people. Waiting, people cannot feed 2 times in a day. But there are some people that cannot eat. Many people go the jackpot, go the jump inside the lagoon just because of hardship. Then one person will come and say now one person go come talk say now one person na the organizer say make them protest. My people, I happy say Obi do this one. At least many people when they take him, when they take Obi name, they take the chewing stick every day, every morning. I think they will take this one learn lesson. So at times, not go make person to keep quiet. Make person still they talk at times. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Bye. Please share this video, my people.